Alright, last up, because it's getting late, is this Emerson plastic thing. I believe this is the 54-inch version. This is long blades. It's got this antique brass globe on it. That looks better with the light. This is a 3-speed one. Over here and down there are its brown cousins. So for how much plastic there is on these are surprisingly durable. I swear these things just run forever. Usually with good pairings too. I think these bigger sizes were the only ones that got the 3-speed treatment, because the 36 and the 40-inch ones were both 2-speed. And this is from about the mid-80s. Okay, there we go. And these are pretty decent performers too. There's a motor whine too. I don't know how well you can hear it. Shut it off. Yeah, that's about it for this plastic Emerson ceiling fan.